Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to redeem your coupon in AllChinaBuy. First, you need to go to AllChinaBuy website. After reaching there, you have to log in your account. After logging your account, you can see your account name here. Click on your account name. After clicking on that, you will go to your account details. Then click on coupons here. After clicking on it, you will see the available coupons in your account. Every coupon here has its terms and conditions. Like the first coupon we are watching, it has minimum fee of 3,000, limit to the shipping fee, and the shipping usage is international parcel. You can also watch other details here, and here is the date limitations which are given to you. And also, if you have any another coupon, then you can redeem it from here, where you can see I have coupon code. You have to tap there, you have to type your coupon code there, and you can redeem it here also. So if you find this video useful, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.